Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Jen with Totally Zen, and today we have an unboxing for a small shop on Etsy. I'm super excited to open this one up and share it with you guys. I do have it upside down because I don't want you seeing my personal information or this person's personal information. So I will open them and slide them out so you don't see all that good stuff. I did find these on Messy Girl Crafts. If you have not ever seen her YouTube, I highly recommend you hopping over there. She is a wonderful creator, and her content is easy to follow along with. She's pretty new, just like myself. She started last year, and I started. So it's cool to kind of be in the same region of being new. But I did see her unboxing with these, and I went over there and got my own because I did really, really fall in love with their idea. One, they're a small shop, and I love supporting small shops. And then two, their stuff's really cute. So it is two different companies, a mother and son. So the son is in the envelope, and the mother is in the box. They do have different stuff on their sites, so definitely go check them out. But let me get these popped open so you can't see personal information, and we will be right back. We will start with the mom shop, and it is called Barn Star Diamond Art. They do also have a YouTube channel as well. I will list both of them in the description, linked below. And then the Suns, which is in the white envelope, is called Printable Diamond Art. So if you're interested in them, like I said, I will list their links below in the description. And you can go check out their stuff. But we will open this one up as I hit the sign. So look at all the goodies that you get with this. And so if you have never heard or seen them before, they are a son and mother duo. All right, I popped out that plastic so we don't have to listen to all of that ruffling and all that mumbo jumbo. But this is the mother and son right here. They do have a YouTube channel, and it looks like you can find them right there. YouTube.com at the Diamond Art Show. They do have quite a few different videos up already that explains what they do and what they have. So, and as this tells you, stop, carefully remove paper cover, do not pull off the glue. So that tells me that it's probably double-sided adhesive. So whenever you're peeling off your plastic right here, just make sure that you're not peeling that off. They give you a sheet that gives you all the DMC numbers and the names to those DMCs, along with your legend over here. Now, they did do a lot of this for people that necessarily don't have the best eyesight. So all your symbols are larger, so you'll be able to see them without any issues. At the very bottom, since this is a door sign, they do tell you their suggestion on sealing it if you wish to do so. We'll pop that over out of the way. And as you can see, let's turn this so it's not crooked for y'all, and we'll zoom out. So as you can see, it is a welcome honeybees sign. And for those of you that are new here, I can't say my husband is a beekeeper. So I did get this to kind of surprise him, and it's gonna be for our front door. And he is gonna be thrilled because he's always been asking me to do diamond stuff for him, but I just haven't ever found anything that's really called his name. But he is a beekeeper, so I got this for him. I thought it was super cute, and it is something that will go with our farm theme for our little mini farm. But something that you can see with this is the drill field is square, but your diamonds are going to be round. They did this so people, again, with eyesight that's not very good, you'll be able to see where you're putting your drills. It should still line up pretty good. I've seen the pictures and stuff, and it looks pretty good. So you shouldn't have too many issues with that. But it's so stinking cute, y'all. So we'll go into the rest of the toolkit. So as you see with your drills, you're going to get this little sticker sheet here for your already kitted up drills. And then on the back, you can put this "Made with Love" by with your name and then when you completed it. How cool is that? And I believe these are acrylic. I can't remember 100% if they are anything else, but anywho, all you needed to do is get your other sheet that's over here and then your legend so you know which stickers to put on your little baggies. So it looks like A is going to be number 1, B is 2, C is 3, and so on and so forth. So then you can just kit up and put right back in these little baggies if you wish to. In your toolkit, you are going to get a bunch of different goodies. So one of them is your pen. You're going to get waxes, and it looks like there's 3 in there. I really do like the purple wax over most of them. A nice little size tray. You're going to get a 7-placer and a 4-placer as well. So this will go on the back. So like if it's sitting on your door or whatnot, it's not going to rub the back of your door raw or scratch it. Then you're going to get your tie that goes around the top up here. And the squishy for your pen and some tweezers. And these are pretty sharp ones. So be careful. Always keep them in their little safety thing. All right. So we unboxed this one. And they're pretty reasonable. And I know that Messy Girl Crafts does have a code. So if you follow her, go on her Google or go on her YouTube, and it will show you what her code is. All right. So here is Avery's The Sun. I got everything out. We already did see both of these. Here is his card. So if you ever want to find his stuff, you can go find it over there on Etsy. And now he does these himself. So he creates the little pictures, and these are for your leftover drills. So I thought that was pretty cool because I'm getting to the point where I have quite a few left, and I'm needing to find a way to put those up, you know? So again, be very careful peeling your sticker sheets back. All right, so I had to make sure I was very careful, but look at these. They're so cute. So I did get a camping one because my kiddos, oh, sorry, the whole sheet is sticky. So I would say that's probably my downfall of this as of right now. But other than that, it's pretty neat. And what I'm probably going to end up doing is, as you could see, that cover sheet was see-through. So what I'm probably going to do is cut these out closer to the shape so I don't have to worry about getting my hands stuck on the paper, because I will be that person that does that. But I will cut them so that they are smaller for me to deal with. But I thought that the camping was super cute. I have 3 boys, so we're always doing more of the adventure, outdoorsy stuff, and it just fits our family really well. So I thought they were super cute. He does do all of these chartings and creates these all by himself and then sends them out to have them made. Let's see if I can put this on without getting it everywhere. All right, but yeah, as you can see, your the paper, the sheet that goes over the top is pretty see-through. Get these bubbles out. So I'll end up just cutting really close to where they are. That way I don't have to worry about actually sticking my hand in the sticky sheet. But they're really cute and they're for my extra drills. So I'm excited and I love supporting small shops. So if you guys know any other small shops that are out there, let me know. Put it in my comments down below. I will check them out. And then when I get extra cash, I will be purchasing some. There is still quite a few that I want to purchase from though, because I love them all. But I'm not rich, so I do have to live inside my means. But on another note though, if you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to me, and like and comment. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you want to see it in the, upcoming filming of making it. But keep being amazing. Have a great day. Bye.